My name is Satakshi, and I have created here an AI-powered travel itinerary generator, which is built using make.com. So it takes user inputs and creates personalized travel plans based on user inputs. So here I have basically created a Google form. As you can see, it has destination, budget, preferred activities that the user wants, travel dates, and the number of days the user will be traveling, and their Gmail. So the first module here we have is for Google Forms right here, which contains the form ID and the limit. Then we have here our Google Sheets, which will automatically take the Google Forms responses and save it in the Google Sheets. As you can see, here we have our Drive spreadsheet ID, spreadsheet name, etc., etc. All these values. Then I have used OpenAI ChatGPT module to generate links. As you can see, just a second, right here. So this is a text content. Here I have given the prompt to generate the booking links for the destination, travel dates, and etc. Then I have created a JSON format. Then I have chosen the past JSON response as yes. Save. Then I have used again the ChatGPT module right here to create the Gmail format right here. So the text content, it has all the necessary details to generate the booking links. And this is the format for the Gmail. Then we will have a very beautiful Gmail body right here. So this is our personalized travel itinerary. The user has requested the destination for Lucknow. Then this is our AI-powered travel itinerary, destination, travel dates, etc., etc. And as you can see, it has recommended restaurants as well. Then sightseeing activities, and here are our links. That's it. Thank you so much.